I'm Talia Zapata, and I'm doing my disease over Tay-Sachs. I'm in Miss White's first hour. Okay, the first slide is symptoms. The symptoms include muscle weakness and stiffness, difficulty swallowing, seizures, also hearing and seeing loss. This is a picture of vision loss, and this is a picture of hearing loss. This is basically slow development, and it starts around 6 months, and it progresses until death, which is usually around 4 or 5 years old. Tay-Sachs is an autosomal recessive trait. It is a lack of an enzyme, and it's inherited and only happens when both parents are carriers of Tay-Sachs. When the baby lacks a vital enzyme, Hex A, which is needed for the baby to break down a fatty waste found in brain cells, without Hex A, it causes progressive damage until the nervous system cannot have life. Sadly, there is no cure, only things and medications to help the kid be comfy. This is one of the examples, which is respiratory care. And there are also feeding tubes. This medicine is for controlling seizures. There's physical therapy to delay stiff muscles. There's a no known cost. Well, there is, but I didn't find one. There's no effectiveness because there's still no cure, but research is still ongoing. When both parents are carriers, like this unaffected mother, she's still a carrier because she has a recessive trait, which is Tay-Sachs, and this father, which also has a recessive trait, which is Tay-Sachs. It gives the baby with each pregnancy a 50% chance to having or being a carrier, and a 25% chance of the kid having Tay-Sachs. The disease is most commonly found among the Ashkenazi Jews, or the Cajun heritage, which is becoming more popular now. In the U.S., 1 out of 27 Jews is a carrier. For the rest of the population, 1 in 250 are carriers. Some interesting facts. There's a late onset of Tay-Sachs that causes adults between their 20s or 30s to develop Tay-Sachs. The causes are usually difficulty balancing, and both adults and children having Tay-Sachs are commonly described as having red spots in their eyes, described as cherry spots, and they look like this. This is their eyeball. No famous people are yet to have Tay-Sachs because it's kind of hard becoming famous when you die around 4 or 5 years old. There is research occurring, also experiments. NTSADDV is a non-profit organization helping the National Institutes of Health, which gave Tay-Sachs Gene Therapy Consortium a 4-year grant of $3.5 million. There's also prenatal testing around the 11th week to know if the child has Tay-Sachs. There is a new experiment, which is cord blood transplant. It's ineffective, but it gives the baby a cord from a healthy donor and tries to provide genes that are healthy that will hopefully replace the non-working ones. And that is my slide. Thank you.